After watching tons of videos about people making money selling low-content books on Amazon, I decided to put that into test and see how much I can make in 60 days.
Nice.
So, I tried selling blank books on Amazon, and this is how much I made. I'm going to show you the whole process of what I did and how I was able to achieve this numbers. Also, am not allowed to write anything in this book for this challenge. Let's start with niche finding. I used Self-Publishing Titan's Quick View tool, which is free to find the niche for the book. Go to your browser and search for Self-Publishing Titans, and scroll to this extension and add it to your browser. If you don't have an account, click Create New Account, and if you have an account, just log in. Now, open a new tab and search for Amazon, and confirm whether the extension has been added to your browser. This is where I'll search for a niche that will be good for me to publish and sell on Amazon. For example, let me search for Wide Ruled Composition Notebook and wait for Titan's Quick View to give me the results about this niche. I prefer choosing a niche that has a score of 50 and above and an average BSR of below 200,000. Also, I'll scroll to the first page to see whether there are more than 5 recently published books under that niche. For example, these are some of the books that are on the first page. After this research, I decided to create 20 books under this niche using Canva. Go to Canva and log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can click the link in the description to get started. On your Canva homepage, click Custom Size. Change the measurement from pixels to inches, and type 7.625 by 9.5 inches, because that's the common size used for wide-ruled composition notebooks with bleed. But you can still use any other size. This is where I'm going to create the interior for the books. Here is the speed-up process. When you're done, duplicate your page, for example. The interior for my books will be 110 pages, and then download it as a PDF file. Let's now create the cover for the book. Go to your browser and search for KDP Cover Calculator. Enter the book information to get the dimensions for the cover and download the template. After downloading the template, extract it and upload the PNG image on Canva. Go back to the Canva homepage, click Custom Size, and enter the dimensions as indicated on the cover template. Fit your cover template in the design area because it will guide you when designing. Keep in mind that the right is the front side of your cover and the left is the back side of your cover. I'm going to create a gamming-themed cover, and here is the speed-up process. is the final look of the cover. When you're done, you'll download it as a PDF file. If you might have a challenge creating these books, or you don't have the time to create them, you can go to Fiverr and find professional cover designers to help you. Here are some of the designers who can create composition notebooks. If you're interested in trying it out, click the link in the description, and you'll get a 10% discount on your first order. When you're done creating the book, you'll upload it on Amazon KDP and wait for approval. Now, how much did I make after 60 days of this challenge? In July, 87 units were ordered, which had total royalties of $112.23. In August, 158 units were ordered, which had total royalties of $208.87. At the time of the recording of this video, today is the 15th of September, 9 units have been ordered, and the total royalties are $11.35. Okay, how was I able to achieve these numbers? In July and August, I ran ads for my books, but in September, I paused them to see how they would perform. All I can say, this challenge was amazing, and yes, you can make money selling books on Amazon. Marketing is also a great booster for selling more books. Thank you for sticking around till the end of this video. I hope this inspired you to start your KDP journey.